DSDApp tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add credit to your account so you can outsource smile simulations. First, you need to go to our website at digitalsmiledesignapp.com. Next, on the right hand side, click the Join/Members button. In this screen, you're going to log in with your username and password for your DSDApp, and once you log in, a price sheet similar to this is going to come up. You're going to select an option on the right hand column where it says Digital Designer or Smile Outsource, and you will select the amount of cases you would like to purchase. After you select the amount of cases you want to purchase, click the checkout button found on the bottom of the screen and proceed with the payment options. Once you're done paying, you can log in into your account in the DSDApp, open a new case, and click Smile Outsource. Next, you're going to add your patient's front pictures and retracted or STO file and hit Next. On the next screen, you're going to select and fill in the information for this patient. Once you're done, you could outsource a smile, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and for more videos and tutorials, please check out our support portal or YouTube channel. Thank you. Yay.